Nestled in a picturesque suburban neighborhood, this enchanting red brick house stands as a testament to thoughtful architectural design and meticulous landscaping. The home's exterior seamlessly blends the warmth of red brick with the crisp elegance of white wooden siding, culminating in a striking blue-gray shingle roof and a distinguished gabled profile. At the heart of this charming abode is a welcoming front porch design, accentuated by a robust stone column that elegantly frames the classic entrance. This inviting space not only enhances the home's curb appeal, but also serves as a perfect spot for leisurely afternoons or social gatherings. Surrounding the property, a rich tapestry of evergreen trees creates a sense of privacy and tranquility. The tall, slender conifers and full bushy firs contribute depth and texture, forming a lush green backdrop that harmonizes beautifully with the vibrant colors of the landscaped yard. The meticulously crafted front yard is a true showcase of landscape artistry. Here, perfectly round dark green topiary bushes stand in stately formation, complemented by clusters of delicate pink flowering shrubs that introduce a soft pop of color. Ornamental blue-gray grasses sway gently in the breeze, all set against a rich blanket of dark brown mulch that enhances the vivid hues of the flora. A wide stone-paved pathway gracefully guides visitors from the front door to a clean concrete driveway on the right, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. In the distance, a dense forest of tall pine trees rises majestically against a serene blue sky, dotted with wispy clouds that add to the idyllic charm of this suburban oasis. This stunning red brick house, framed by its expertly landscaped yard and surrounded by evergreen trees, exemplifies a perfect balance of natural beauty and architectural elegance. It invites you to step inside and explore the warm, welcoming atmosphere that lies within.